What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock. So guys, let's take a look at the play that I opened on it yesterday, and on the short side is how is that play looking like. We are seeing some bounce happening today. Is this going to continue higher? Has it given us that level confirmation that it can go higher? And I also will take you over a couple of upgrades that we have on AMD and some news around this, some coverage that has been initiated. Okay. So with that, guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. Okay. So let's start it off. So I want to start off with the here we go. This one first. AMD's stock can surge 40%, this new bull says, even as Nvidia still dominates. HSBC turns bullish on AMD shares, saying there won't be just one winner in the market for AI GPUs. So here we go. At least the perspective of HSBC analyst Frank Lee, who upgraded AMD shares to buy from hold in a Tuesday report, he boosted his price target to $225 from $180. The new price target implying 40% upside. So let's just take this for a second. $180 to $225. So 100, where I don't know where they were sitting when it was at 180, right? It went high up, 225. All right, they are pretty much trying to get it at all-time highs, recent all-time highs. I think that's the trade they're trying to play here. And again, so here's the thing. Is it looking like it's gonna go up? Well, not quite sure, right? As for what analysts are saying, you're like, this is falling. But they are saying 225, what's going on? Well, guys, that's what happens when someone wanna push the market, right? Analysts can come up with any reasons, but again, I'm not here to debate if you should believe analysts or not. It's up to you. I trade with the technicals, but I just wanted to cover that just so you know that's the news out. Am I giving too much importance to that upgrade? No, because I trade with the technicals, and what are technicals telling me? So let's talk about that. So what is the technical saying is like we are in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. We are still in that downtrend right now. Have we broken a structure to the upside? Well, one of the levels I was talking about was 170 and 174. We are still below that. So on the daily interval, no, we haven't broken any structure to the upside. On the daily interval, if we get above $171 range, which is 170 and 99 cents almost, then the structure on daily interval may start changing to the upside. Right now, we are below 20 days moving average, also below 50 days moving average, and 20 days moving average is below 50 days moving average. This is not an uptrend. 225, that analyst is saying it's not happening right away. Let's put it that way, okay? If it happens, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy when it happens. But we will catch that move before that even happens, because we are working off the technicals once the structure starts to form uptrend. On the daily interval, I'm not seeing any uptrend, guys, right now on AMD. Let's take a look at 1 hour interval. Now here's things will get some more significant and important. So first thing, we are below 200 hours moving average still, and we are still in the lower highs, lower lows. Yes, I talked about this level to watch around 164, and let me adjust something on my indicator. If you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below of this video. Lately, AMD has been doing less of volatility, so I'm just gonna keep it to low, intraday depth level low, okay? Oops, yeah. Now, so yeah, here, so this is the area. If AMD can close today above 165 almost, this area, this is the resistance, recent resistance, right? We flushed below this area. Then we can talk about, okay, maybe AMD wants to become bullish again, but on intraday especially, yes, today's bounce is coming. I know my day trading bot also gave a buy signal here. That's fine. But on the swing side, or how long-term position would look like, right now, AMD has not confirmed that upside. It hasn't. 165 would be at least for today. If it can close above it, we can talk about some upside coming. But right now, I'm not seeing any of that. Yes, AMD is holding this level 162 again. This is where I opened my short position right now. It's in the drawdown, but that's fine. I'm gonna size in, size out based off of how price would react here. If tomorrow I see this thing goes up, I might start sizing out my shares that I have open on AMD here because I want to lessen my drawdown. But is it gonna change my sentiment to bullish on this? Not yet. That's why I have this $171 area here. If it starts to get up there, then I'll fully size out. As I said, I usually size out throughout the journey if it's going against me, right, to limit my drawdown. And I'll size in more if it comes lower, and again, I size in, size out, and if it hit my stop loss, it's the name of the game. That's what it is. But this is where the confluence was building for me. And am I still bearish on it? I'm still bearish on it. The structure is still showing me to the downside. It hasn't gotten above $165. So structure for me is not to the upside. So we'll see how things wrap up by the end of the day. Now on the daily interval, I want to show you where it's coming back up again, okay? And that is, you can see this is the area, right? This area of $162.59. It got back up above it due to these previous areas. So if we see tomorrow another green candle, then yeah, I would like to size out more because it's going against the structure. And I showed you on hourly interval $165, right? That will start to make a little bit intraday and swing some bullish, but not swing. We are still below 20 days moving average. I want to see a break above 171 without breaking below 162 to confirm upside. So, but if we break below 162, then it becomes a continuation game to the downside. Then we have to see different structures for the back again break to the upside. So let's see what AMD does here. And but yeah, for now I'm still in that position, and I'm still looking to keep it on the downside. Again, if it goes against me, I told you the plan how I'm gonna do my position in and out on AMD. Okay. So I did a video on Nvidia as well this morning, guys. Check that out. But just really quickly show you Nvidia looks like it has regained, at least for now, this $877 level. It rejected quite a lot over there at that significant level there. That's what we talked about in the morning. Some scalp plays could be taken there. Let's see if it continues to go above 200 hours moving average. But if it closed the day above 877, it's already looking good for tomorrow, but I would like to see 200 hours moving average break as well. But this we'll talk about once the market has closed. I'll do another video on this. I'll do another video on SMCI as well, and it's going against me, my position. So I'll talk about this as well, what I have done, what I'm doing, and yeah. But that's it for this video, guys. Let's take a look at QQ and SPY. A little bit trying to get bought back up, but I don't think this will continue higher. I think this will continue lower in my opinion. It's just a little bit of a rebound coming today. And so with SPY, SPY is very weak. I think it's going to continue lower. It's just the tech stocks are moving the market higher. Netflix is moving it higher. Netflix is high up. Apple is negative. Tesla is negative. Nvidia is high up, right? So semiconductors are still coming up, right? Look at these analysts on semiconductors are only coming back in again with their upgrades when the prices started to fall. So they're still trying to just keep pushing it up, right? Yeah, but I don't think, yeah, that's the name of the game, guys. Well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.